Good morning, students. Once again, I am standing before you of class 10th, new chapter light. उसमें का the important part firstly हमको study करना है, that is reflection. So move to topic light. Firstly हमको study करते हैं light. Light क्या है? In class 9th already we have got light is a form of energy which gives us sensation of sight around us. So this is the light. If we take a single light ray, then it is known as a ray of light. Ray of light. If two or more light rays, then this is known as beam of light rays. And parallel, then parallel beam of light rays. So this is parallel beam of light rays. If parallel all the beam of light rays going to assemble at a point, then this is known as converging light rays, converging beam of light rays. And if we took reciprocal, means from same point the light rays is going to diverge. This is the source from where the light is going to diverge in various directions, then this is known as divergence beam of light rays. So convergence and divergent beam of light rays. Now move to object and image. Anything which gives out light is known as object. Gives out means either they will emit their own lights or they will reflect the light. So that is known as object. Now what is image? An image means whenever the light rays from any point of source, any object point of source, if the light is going to converge at a point, then this point will be known as image, which is known as real image of that particular object. And if this light rays coming from the object going to diverge after reflection, then this will be known as virtual image. This is the real and virtual image. Real image and virtual image. Real image can be taken on the screen just like cinema. Virtual image cannot be taken on the screen because that light ray is going to diverge. Now move to reflection. What do you mean by reflection? Simple, sir. In junior classes we got the bouncing back of the light rays. If the light rays strike on the surface, there are three conditions. Either it will be absorbed by the surface, otherwise it may cross out that surface. Third condition, it will reflect back in the same condition, same medium. This is known as reflection. And there are two laws of reflection. The most importantly, the first law is this only. Whenever the light rays incident on a smooth surface at a particular point, then after reflection, after striking, it reflects back in the same medium. So this is incident ray, this is reflected ray, and the perpendicular drawn on this point is known as normal line. This point is point of incidence. So the law will be incident ray, normal line and reflected ray. All three will lie in the same plane. Now see over here, the angle between normal and incident, angle of incidence I. The angle between normal and reflected, angle of reflection R. So second law is I equal to R. Angle of incidence equal to angle of reflection. This is our laws of reflection. Now move to a spherical mirror. Means a spherical mirror means a hollow spherical glass whose reflecting surface is curved. Then this is known as a spherical mirror. Normally what we supposed to do, all the mirrors from right side going to be polished. Which metals polished? Silver metal polishing. Why? Because it has the capacity to return back more than 90%, approximately 96% light rays going to reflect from the silver metal. So mirror में back side में जो polish होता है, that is silver metal. If we take this as spherical mirror, then how to observe? So see here. This is a spherical mirror. If we have taken their slice, just see. Now we got two slices over here. What I asked to you, just silver polish from its back side and right side. Then this is what reflection will be from curved inward. So this mirror will be known as concave mirror. Again for this mirror, polish it. Now the reflecting surface is curved outward. So this mirror is known as convex mirror. Now whatever the reflecting surface, their midpoint is known as pole of the mirror. Be remember, pole of the mirror. Actually, what is both the mirror? It's just a part of a spherical mirror. So whatever the center, the radius of that particular sphere, which these mirrors are the parts, center and radius of that spherical mirror, which these mirrors are the parts, are known as center of curvature of this mirror and radius of curvature of the mirror. Like this, as center of the curvature of the mirror. The quality of these mirror is the light rays coming parallel to the principal axis, they all will pass through the same point, and the seventh point, that point will be known as focus point. The light rays coming parallel to the principal axis will reflect through F. So this is focus point, and this distance between them is known as focal length, which is radius ka half, yani F equal to R by 2. That's why this mirror is also known as converging mirror, क्योंकि ये light rays को converge करता है, and that's why it is used as a headlight of all the vehicles. We remember, headlight of all the vehicles, we use this mirror, as well as on which especially we remember solar panel जो बनते हैं, solar furnace, उसमें भी same mirror going to be used. Now move to convex mirror. Convex mirror property is it diverges the light rays. Means what? The light rays going to move coming parallel to principal axis, then it will be converged. It seems to diverge from F. यानी लाइट रेज को स्प्रेड आउट करते हैं. जो रोड लाइट, स्ट्रीट लाइट होते हैं, उसमें यही मिरर किए जाते हैं, क्योंकि वहां पे लाइट को हमको स्प्रेड आउट करना है. एंड फोर व्हीलर या एनी व्हीकल्स में सामने हमें लाइट को फोकस करना है. वी यूटिलाइज दिस थिंग्स. देयर आर सो मेनी इमेज फॉर्मेशन ऑन इट. व्हाट इज दैट? इन दिस वे, इन दिस मिरर ऑलवेज वी आर गेटिंग रियल एंड इन्वर्टेड इमेज, except one case when the object is between P and F and the object is very closer to the mirror, then only we are able to get this image will be behind the mirror and virtual and erect. This is the last condition for concave mirror, where object is placed between P and F, image will be virtual and erect, highly enlarged and enlarged. Due to this reason, we suppose to use as a saving mirror, as a makeup mirror. Got it? So, and in this case, all the images will be found behind the mirror. So, convex mirror always form a virtual and erect image, but the size will be diminished, a smaller size. So, this is the main reason why to use these things as a rear view mirror, side mirror of all the vehicles as rear view mirrors. A large traffic behind our vehicles, it seems to be appear here in a convex mirror, and we are able to ride our vehicles in proper way. And move to next. Next is magnification. Magnification means comparison of the object and image. Comparison of object and image. Height of image upon height of object. Also equal to minus d by u. What is the u? Object का distance mirror से. V image का distance mirror से. So mirror formula that works is 1 by v plus 1 by u equal to 1 by f. The most important formula for this topic is this. And the rules is whatever we are getting light side, that will be positive. Means focal length of concave mirror will be negative because focal is everything left side. So concave के लिए F and R negative, convex के लिए F and R positive. For concave mirror or convex mirror, object always we keep left side. So U will be negative for all the cases. U will be negative for both the mirror. U will be negative. But F focus, concave negative, convex positive. Now V will be determined on the basis of condition. The image, convex image behind the mirror, so it will be what? Positive. Otherwise, for concave mirror, in last case only we are getting behind the mirror. So that's why in this case, only last case, V also will be positive, because right side, we remember right side whatever we get, that will be positive sign, left side will be as a negative sign. With the formula of this, 1 by V plus 1 by U equal to 1 by F, and magnification equal to S2 by H1, we can solve all the numerical based on it. So that's all for today's class. We will meet you again very soon.